Good morning, my dear children. Last day we are already discussed the very important topic, that is sound of the accent. Where use the accent sound and where use this symbol. Last day we are already discussed. So we are already covered the alphabets, and with the help of alphabets we have to write the words. In English we are at A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for doll. Like this I have to write in French. Then A, that is avion or aeroport. B for baby, that means baby. C for chien. D for dindon. Everything we have to discuss. Next topic, that is number 1 to 20 we are already covered. 1 to 10 and 11 to 20. And last day we are already covered, that is very important topic, that is accent. Without knowledge of accent, without knowledge how to use or where use this symbol, we have nothing to write anything else. So last day we are already covered. So today is very interesting topic, that is in French, that is days of the week. Days of the week, that is very important topic. Today we have to discuss it. At first put the date, today's date is 17th June 2021. Day is Thursday, subject is French, and today topic days of the week. In English, days of the week. Days in French, jour, Jour, jour. Week in French, semaine, Semaine, semaine. Of French, the, and la, that means week, the. Days of the week, jour de la semaine. So at first everybody, any European country start days of the week, that is Monday to Sunday, not Sunday to Monday. The first day of the week is Monday and the last day of the week, that is Sunday. So at first you have to write Monday to Sunday in your copy. Then I write in French. After completing the spelling, I have to pronounce. You pronounce, or you have to note down, or you have to note recording, anything else, whatever you have to preferable, you have to do it. But you have to practice every day, 10 to 15 minutes in every day. Without practice, you have nothing to write anything else. Okay? So I write in the board, you write in your copy. See the board properly. Days of the week. Days in French, jour, Jours, jour. Of, that is the, D is the, la, la. Semaine, Semaine. Semaine. Jour, that means days, the means of, la means the, semaine means week, Semaine, semaine. Jour de la semaine, that means days of the week. At first write Monday to Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. At first write the spelling. After completing, I have to pronounce it. I think everybody complete Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday in English. Now, Monday, Lundi. I repeat again, Lundi. At first, write the spelling. Then when I pronounce, you pronounce with me. Okay? At first, write the spelling. Lundi. I repeat again. Lundi. Next one, Mardi. I repeat again. Mardi. Third one, Wednesday, Mercredi. I repeat again, Mercredi. Thursday, Jeudi. Friday, Vendredi. I repeat again, Vendredi. Then Saturday, Samedi. And Sunday, Dimance. I repeat again, Dimance. Now, UN already in 1, 2, 3, 4 LUN, la, did, ladi. I repeat again, LUN, la, did, ladi. Tuesday, MAR, did, mardi. MAR, did, mardi. Monday, LUN, la, UN, so LUN, la, did, ladi. MAR, did, mardi. Wednesday, MER, CRE, did, mercredi. I repeat again, MER, CRE, did, mercredi. Thursday, JEU, did, jeudi. JEU, did, jeudi. Next one, VEN, did, vendredi. VEN, did, vendredi. Sorry. SA, MEME, did, samedi. SA, MEME, did, samedi. DID, MAN, CHE, short, Dimash. I repeat again, DID, MAN, CHE, short, Dimash. Okay, so I repeat again, Ladi, that means Monday, Mardi, Tuesday, Mercredi, Wednesday, Jeudi, Thursday, Vendredi, Friday, Samedi, Saturday, and Dimash, that means Sunday. So today we are covered the Jour de la Semaine, that means days of the week. Next day we start month of the year and season of the year. Okay, so you have to practice in your home. With spelling you have to practice it, otherwise nothing to write anything else. I again told you, if you any problem, any doubt, tell me. I have to rectify your problem. Okay, so today is for that. Till then, bye bye.